Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Wand Fairy is probably one of the most enchanting and innovative gadgets to hit the market, promising to bring a touch of magic into your everyday life. Whether you're a budding sorcerer or simply looking for a whimsical way to interact with your surroundings, making it a truly unique and captivating addition to any collection. Number 5. FlashingBlinkyLights Superstar Princess LED Wand. This enchanting wand features a brilliant light-up star top and bright LEDs. At its base, a crystal ball projects mesmerizing kaleidoscope patterns, adding an extra touch of magic. Activating its dazzling effects is incredibly simple. Just press a button to cycle through various flashes and blinks, creating a sparkling multicolor light show. It's the ideal accessory for countless celebrations. Whether for Halloween parties, fairy princess costumes, or any festive gathering, it adds a special glow. The fun doesn't have to end. Its batteries are easily replaceable, ensuring you can enjoy its radiant glow from multiple events and occasions. Rest assured, this product meets high safety standards. It is CPSIA compliant and rigorously tested for lead, phthalates, and heavy metals, ensuring peace of mind. What we like? This wand truly shines with its bright LED star and unique crystal ball and that projects mesmerizing kaleidoscope patterns. If you're looking for a wand that offers dazzling visual effects and can be used again and again, this is an excellent choice. Its replaceable batteries make it perfect for multiple events, ensuring the magic never fades. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. BANBALLON 6 PCS Princess Wand Kit. This enchanting kit includes 6 beautiful wands, perfect for any aspiring princess. You'll find 4-star designs and 2 charming butterfly styles, available in vibrant blue, purple, yellow, and pink. Each wand is designed with comfort and play in mind. They range from 11 to 13.8 inches, making them ideal for children of various ages to hold and enjoy during their adventures. Crafted from high-quality textile, sequin, ribbon, and net yarn, these wands boast bright, elegant colors. Their amazing details and sparkling glitter create truly dazzling effects for every magical moment. This set offers 3 distinct styles: the classic star, a star with delicate lace, and a charming butterfly wand. They provide endless inspiration for imaginative dress-up play and storytelling. These versatile wands are perfect for a wide range of events. Use them for cosplay, dress-up parties, birthdays, baby showers, or even as delightful favors for weddings and bridal showers. What we like? This set offers incredible variety with 6 wands in different styles and colors, perfect for sharing or diverse dress-up. If you need multiple wands for a party or want options for different costumes, this kit provides fantastic value. Its rich styles and quality materials make it ideal for group play, birthday parties, or a versatile costume accessory collection. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 3. MYUBWTF Silver 13-inch Star Wand. Discover a world of enchantment with this exquisite star wand. It's designed to bring joy and sparkle to any special occasion. Crafted with a beautiful silver plating, this 13-inch wand shines brilliantly. Its elegant design makes it a perfect accessory for any aspiring princess or fairy. Whether for a costume party, a theatrical performance, or just imaginative play, it's the ideal prop. Girls will adore holding this magical item. Topped with a dazzling star, it embodies the spirit of an elf baton or an angel's magic. This feature adds an extra touch of wonder to its overall appeal. Made with quality in mind, it's built to withstand hours of magical adventures. This wand promises to be a cherished item for years to come. Specifically designed for young girls, it encourages imaginative play and storytelling. They will feel like true royalty holding this special stick. Bring home the wonder and let their imagination soar. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to endless magical possibilities. What we like? This wand embodies classic elegance with its sleek silver star and refined plating. If you appreciate a timeless, sophisticated look for your princess or fairy costume, this simple yet beautiful design is perfect. Its iconic star shape makes it an essential accessory for any traditional fairy tale ensemble or elegant roleplay. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the review list is empty. Number 2. MYUBWTF Silver 13-inch Star Wand. Discover the enchanting MYUBWTF Silver Star Wand. This beautiful accessory is designed to spark imagination and bring joy to every little princess. Crafted with a stunning silver plating, it features a radiant star at its tip. Its elegant design makes it perfect for any magical occasion. Measuring 13 inches, it's comfortable for small hands to hold and wave. This lightweight wand is easy to manage for hours of imaginative play. Whether for an elf, angel, or fairy princess, it completes any magical costume. Every girl will feel like royalty holding this special item. Perfect for dress-up, themed parties, or simply adding a touch of sparkle to everyday adventures. It's a versatile accessory for endless fun. Its plating ensures a long-lasting shine, making it a cherished item for years. This high-quality piece is built to withstand countless magical moments. Bring a touch of fairy tale wonder into your child's world. Let her imagination soar with this captivating star wand. What we like? This wand features a durable construction with a striking silver finish, ensuring it stands out. If you're seeking a reliable and versatile accessory that complements various princess or elf outfits, this is a great choice. Its robust design makes it suitable for active play and multiple dress-up occasions, offering lasting enchantment. What people say. Number 1. UOUYOO Silver Star Princess Fairy Wand. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, it ensures safety for all users. This durable construction means it's built to last through countless adventures. Watch as light dances off its surface, creating a magical glow. Its unique design mirrors a true fairy's wand, captivating everyone. This is the perfect accessory for any little princess. Every girl dreams of having one for her special parties and imaginative play. Measuring 13 inches long, it's perfectly sized for easy gripping. Children can comfortably hold and wave it, bringing their fantasies to life. It's ideal for a wide range of celebrations, from Halloween to Christmas. Bring extra sparkle to birthdays, New Year's, and other festive shows. What we like? Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this wand prioritizes safety while offering a magical light-reflecting design. If you're looking for a safe and enchanting accessory that truly sparkles when light hits it, this wand is an excellent pick. Its beautiful light-reflecting quality makes it ideal for holiday shows and parties, adding a touch of fairy magic to any celebration. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.